He stuck a rivet in his screwdriver and created an amazing tool. Who would have thought that simple rivets, besides joining metal pieces, could fit into a drill and become something entirely new? Sounds unbelievable, but few people know this clever trick. Now he can tackle jobs that used to require multiple tools using just the screwdriver and a single rivet. Simple, unexpected, and surprisingly efficient. Who would have imagined such an obvious solution could go unnoticed for so long? Creativity and practicality combined in one move.